Today we're going to show you the few simple steps required to install an UnderCover Flex tonneau cover on a late model Toyota Tacoma. The UnderCover Flex's innovative design gives you both easy access to the bed of your truck when you need it, and the security and protection of a hard tonneau cover when carrying precious cargo like hunting, camping, or camera equipment. To begin, open the packaging and inspect the contents to ensure your Flex cover was not damaged during shipping and that all the needed mounting hardware is present.
Says we need 2 of these.
The first step is to remove the factory tie-downs and caps from the pre-installed factory rails.
Where are they?
You'll then install 3 aluminum mounting brackets per side. These slide easily into the factory rails and should be spaced evenly along the full length of the rail. Once installed, reinsert the end caps. Next, take the flex rails and place them on the aluminum mounting brackets. Ensure that these sit slightly below the top of the bed by adjusting the mounting bracket height. Once installed, tighten the bolts on the mounting brackets with a wrench or socket. The next step is to install the supplied weather stripping along the cab end of the bed. The Flex will rest on top of this. Then take the cover itself and set it in place at the cab end of the bed. Lightly tighten the knob so the Flex is secure, but not too tight so you're able to adjust its placement. Unfold the Flex to ensure the locking clips make contact with the Flex rails. If they don't, simply loosen the clips using a Phillips head screwdriver and adjust the distance outward or inward so they will catch. Ensure the completely unfolded Flex sits squarely on top of the bed, making adjustments to its placement as required. Assuming the fit is correct and each locking latch catches the Flex rails, fold the Flex back towards the cab and tighten the knob so the cover will not move or slip.
It looks good, that's for sure.